Hey y'all, okay, I'm gonna go on a bit of a rant here today. Something that's been driving me nuts. I keep getting asked this question that I just wanna pull my hair out. Heather Roberts here, and co-founder of RSG Sales and founder of the Supplier Mastermind. So we're gonna talk about what's driving me bonkers. Okay, what's driving me crazy? I will tell you. Way Day is around the corner, and product promotions that you or got tongue tied. Products that you want to promote are due by March 18th, and I've had more than one client and or person in this group say to me, "Hey, is it worth it? Should I participate? I don't know." My answer to that is yes. Do suppliers participate in Prime Day? So why in God's green earth would you not participate in Way Day? Think of it as Wayfair's equivalent of Prime Day. When I used to own my decorative throw pillow company, Way Day was like my favorite day of the year because it was like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday rolled all into one. So if you're smart about how you handle this particular time frame, and Way Day isn't just one day, it's actually two. Just like Prime Day isn't just one day, it's actually two. So if you're smart about the way you are handling your submissions for Way Day, you're going to pick your top sellers. The things are that you have in stock, by the way. They better be in stock, and you might better have good stock. And if they're in stock and they're a top seller, put it on the discount. Be as aggressive as you can because this is a short time. This is the time to really go and ramp up that volume. And just sit there and wait because Way Day is super successful. If you don't participate in it, you're going to miss the boat. And why would you do that? I don't know. It kind of blows my mind. So, yeah, that's really my rant. My rant for today is yes, it is worth it. Please participate. And that's my rant. All right, guys. If you have any other questions, just send me a text. I do want to mention two other little things. First is I posted the other day that we're doing virtual roundtables. Now, this is a whole new thing that we're doing here. And I wanted to share it with you all because I would love for you all to have the opportunity to participate. What is a virtual roundtable? It is when we are having a small group of suppliers get together and we're going to talk about, first we're going to introduce ourselves. Second, we're going to talk about current events, like what's going on in the industry. Then we're going to talk about what's working in our e-commerce sales channel, what's not. And then at the end, you get to have an ask. We get to have an ask. Like, hey, I need help finding a photographer, or I need help managing my inventory, or I need help figuring out how to fill out this form for Wayfair. Whatever it is, there's a chance. Ask, and we will try and either help you ourselves, and if we can't, we're going to put you in touch with somebody who can. So we've been doing this for a couple of weeks, and just did one on Tuesday, and I love it. It's great, and I really want y'all to participate in this too. So if you want to, just text me 980-825-4376 or comment below and put roundtable, and we will get you an invite. This is very select. We're only doing small groups at a time, so we're limiting it to six participants. So if you take a spot and you don't show up, I'm not going to re-invite you to another one. I know. That's the way it is, guys. All right, so I want to let you know about that. Then the other thing I wanted to let you know about was on March 18th, we are launching our second round of our Lightning program. That is our 6-week course that we teach you everything you need to know to be able to get ready and be set up for success to be a supplier for Wayfair and Overstock and all the others. We cover the requirements, we cover the team, we cover best-in-class product listings and imagery, we cover the pitch, the proposal, we talk about pricing, you name it. It is a jam-packed full of information. If you sign up by the end of this week, so today is Wednesday, that's the 12th. So if you sign up by the 12th, you get to have our special early bird pricing of $997. Otherwise, it is $1,500. So if you are interested in that, comment lightning below or send me a text to the number on your screen. Okay, gang, that's about it. And remember, should you participate in Way Day? The answer is yes, absolutely, positively, participate. Make sure you have stock. All right, everybody, thanks a bunch, and we'll talk next week.